Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint color. To begin, gather your primary colors, blue, green, and white. Mint green is a beautiful, light shade that evokes freshness and calm. We'll start by creating a vibrant green base, then gradually lighten and cool it down to achieve that perfect mint hue. Precision in mixing is key for the best results. First, let's create your foundational green. Take a generous amount of yellow paint and add a smaller portion of blue paint, aiming for about a 2-to-1 ratio of yellow to blue. Mix these two colors together completely until you have a consistent, vibrant green. This will be the starting point for our mint shade. Now, it's time to lighten your green. Begin adding white paint to your green mixture, but do so in small increments. Mix thoroughly after each addition and observe how the color transforms. The white will soften the green and bring it closer to that pastel mint shade. Keep adding and mixing until you reach your preferred level of lightness. For the final touch, you might want to add a very small amount of blue to your light green. This will cool down the color slightly, giving it that distinct minty freshness. Remember to add just a tiny bit at a time and mix thoroughly. Continue adjusting until you achieve the perfect, refreshing mint color you envisioned. Enjoy your beautiful new shade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.